Hello everyone, welcome to hecoos tutorial video. In this video, we will talk about how to download and install hecoos Studio to a computer. First, go to hecoos website, hecoos.com/en. Click on the menu button on top right corner and choose Download. You will download the install execution. Waiting for download finished. Click on Execution to download the full installation pack. After downloading, the installation will pop up automatically. First, choose Install Language. Then read our license agreement. Then choose the installation path. Then choose to add shortcut to Start menu and Desktop. Finally, hit Install to start installing process. At the end of the installation of dongle encryption will pop up. Click on Next and agree with the license agreement. Set installation for a specific user or all users on this computer. Then set the path and function for encryption. Then click on Installation, waiting for all the software finish installation. Now you can use hecoos on your computer and start to build your own stage performance.